Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Full Stack Explorers. As you know, we have just completed our second series on Fresh.js framework, which was on e-commerce site. In today's video, we will start a new series on authentication and authorization in Fresh.js. I'll explain how it's work and how we can use middleware in Fresh.js to set the authorization. Let's get started now. As you can see, I have opened up the Fresh.js website. They have changed their UI recently though. Let's copy the link to create a new project in Fresh.js. Alright, open the terminal and paste the link here and press enter. I'll name the project Authentication-Authorization. We will use Tailwind as usual. As the project is created now, let's open the project now. As I'm in VS Code, open the terminal and start the project by typing deno task start and press enter. As the project is started, let's check that in the browser now. As you can see, the project is started now and we have no issues here. Get back to VS Code again. Alright, let's delete unnecessary files first. In index.tsx, I'll add a text for our homepage whenever user come back or login. Welcome back, Full Stack Explorers. Show that text. Alright, as it's done, let's add Daisy UI here. I'll paste the CDN links which we used in our last project here. As per theme, we will use the same theme as we used in the last project, which named dim. Now in index.tsx file, which is the main entry of our file, let's add some styling here to show the text a little bit brighter. Alright, let's check the changes in the browser now to check how it's looking so far. As you can see, it's looking perfect now. We have the same theme and the home page is showing the text too. That's it for now. In the next video, we will work on login and register page UI using Daisy UI. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!